This video is going to show how I built a 20, 40, and 80 meter link dipole. Now the 80 meter is accomplished with a loading coil here at the point where the 20 and 40 meter dipoles link. The wire I used was 26 gauge wire for the antenna, and I used 18 gauge enameled wire for the loading coils. This shows where the link and the loading coil is. The link part for 40 meters, you would take the alligator clips and hook them together. For 20, you would disconnect them, and for 80, they would be in the position shown in the picture. I used schedule 40 1.25" PVC for this. A thinner wall PVC would probably be better suited for this project, as this was a little heavy. The 20 meter portion of the antenna is 196 inches, and this is the bottom of where I can match the antenna. And this shows the SWR at 3.4 megahertz, which is just about the top of the 20 meter band. This is the 40 meter with the link connected. I did build the antenna for voice, so the SWR is a little bit high down here. This is the lowest SWR I got on 40 meters at 7.2 megahertz, and again at the top of the band. The length of the wire for the 40 meter portion after the trap is 175 inches. The feed point was roughly 20 feet, maybe a little bit higher when I did this testing. This antenna was designed to be taken down and put up for sota activations or portable operation. So changing the height of the feed point will probably change these numbers slightly. This is the loading coil hooked up. At the lowest portion, I could get a reasonable match. It's 2-to-1 here at 3.83. 3.86 got a 1.2-to-1 match, and 3.88 got a 2-to-1 match. Very narrow bandwidth here because of the loading coil, I imagine. I haven't tested this antenna on the air yet, but I got a pretty decent match on all the bands. This was really an experiment for me to try to get 80 meters for a sota activation. Try it out. Leave in the comments anything you think I should have done differently, or any improvements you have, or if you've tried it out yourself. Thank you.